Looking for a Th350 Rebuild Kit? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 7 Th350 Rebuild Kit available in 2022 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect Th350 Rebuild Kit for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list. We have the compatible with Chevy GM Th350 Alto Red Eagle. Chevy GM Th350 Deluxe Rebuild Kit with Alto Red Eagle friction clutches and Colleen steels is a complete transmission rebuild kit. This rebuild kit includes all of the high-performance red Alto friction plates, Colleen steel plates, sealing rings, metal-clad seals, gaskets, O-rings, rubber piston seals, high-performance red Eagle band, filter, modulator, bushing kit, bearing kit, washer kit, and governor gear. These clutches are put through a process where the friction paper is saturated in a phenolic resin, cured, and then saturated a second time in a silicate. The silicate imparts high heat resistance. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list. We have the compatible with Chevy GM Th350 Alto Transmission Deluxe Rebuild Kit. This transmission rebuild kits are of the highest quality and meet all standards set by professional installers. This high-energy Th350 Deluxe Rebuild Kit with Alto friction clutches and steel plates is a complete transmission rebuild kit. This rebuild kit includes all of the friction plates, steel plates, sealing rings, metal-clad seals, gaskets, O-rings, rubber piston seals, high-performance red Eagle band, filter, modulator, bushing kit, bearing kit, washer kit, and governor gear. These clutches are put through a process where the friction paper is saturated in a phenolic resin, cured, and then saturated a second time in a silicate. The silicate imparts high heat resistance. At number 3 on our list. We have the compatible with Chevy GM Th350 Alto Transmission Deluxe Rebuild Kit. When it comes to the best Th350 Rebuild Kit, we highly recommend you try out the Th350 Alto Transmission Deluxe. It is definitely one of the highest quality on the market today. Keep in mind that this kit includes Alto friction clutches and steel plates. It pretty much comes with all of the necessary pieces to completely rebuild a transmission. We really like the fact that the silicate imparts offer extremely high heat resistance and just about anything in this kit is pretty solidly built to last for years. And finally, it is nice to know that clutches go through this process that involves the friction paper being saturated in a phenolic resin. It is later cured and then saturated again in a silicate. At number 4 on our list. We have the compatible with Chevy GM Th350 Alto Transmission Master Rebuild Kit Level 2. This high-energy Th350 Master Rebuild Kit with Alto friction clutches and steel plates is a complete transmission rebuild kit. This rebuild kit includes all of the friction plates, steel plates, sealing rings, metal-clad seals, gaskets, O-rings, rubber piston seals, band, filter, modulator, pump bushing, and extension house bushing. These clutches are put through a process where the friction paper is saturated in a phenolic resin, cured, and then saturated a second time in a silicate. The silicate imparts high heat resistance. At number 5 on our list. We have the Th350 Turbo 350 Transmission Raybestos Stage 1 Deluxe Level 2. Another really good choice when it comes to the best Th350 Rebuild Kit is the Raybestos Stage 1 kit. It is one of the better ones out there, and the clutches are made in the USA by Raybestos. Also, it comes with a premium Transtech gasket kit, which meets all of the professional quality standards set by professional installers and is definitely one of the highest quality out there. Another thing many people like about this rebuild kit is that it doesn't require a blue plate special, high-energy tanner friction plate. All you really need is a friction plate. All in all, we think that it is a really nice rebuild kit that is quality that you can totally depend on. And this is not just our opinion since many others can confirm this as well. At number 6 on our list. We have the OTTS Parts Th350 Rebuild Kit. Another really nice option when it comes to the best Th350 Rebuild Kit is the OTTS Parts Kit. Although it is not a complete kit, the parts and accessories that it does come with are absolutely amazing. The OTTS Parts Rebuild Kit comes mainly with overhaul Borg frictions, steel filter modulator and band. For the price that you are paying, we think it is a good deal. Another thing we should mention is that the durability of these parts are pretty darn good, and they just seem to outlast many of the other rebuild kits out there. In terms of assembly and installation, well, it will be tough, but we are assuming you at least know a bit about what you are doing before buying this kit. And finally, at number 7 on our list, we have the compatible with Chevy GM Th350 Alto Transmission Deluxe Rebuild Kit Level 2. There is the Alto Transmission Level 2 Rebuild Kit, which is a high-quality Th350 rebuild kit that is surprisingly easy to install, even if you are a total beginner. Many people really like this kit because it holds up very well, even if you are driving very hard with it. The parts are all quality and definitely do not build up too much rust in the long run. So this is a complete kit for a stock transmission, and it will also work on a long tail. And it is nice to know that all of the parts are high heat resistant as well, which will greatly increase longevity. In general, if you find that the parts and kits we recommended above are not really working out and you need a complete transmission rebuild, we highly suggest this kit. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.